Welcome to that day, another time. Actually, we're rounding up, and it's a new person on this thing. So let's check out what trust should be. Before we do that, we we done done this creating a site with you. As a matter of fact, I tried to add this to it. When it's what's it called, you can actually add quite a number of things. Your choice, your decision. I just decided to add a slide. So I think this is a slide I made from Canva, my very responsive video. You can actually put it there. And of course, you can put YouTube. You can add YouTube. Type your search in the box to find video. Just let's do this. You see, I can add any of the classes to my website. These are the classes that I've taken so far, and I'm good to add them to my website. This is just a review anyway. This is just a review. Anyway. Yeah, added to my website. Anybody coming on this website can see this. Sorry, this one. I make it very big. Yeah, that's another thing I've added to my website. All the works like here now, instead of naming it your gallery, you can call it client responses. Anything that you have to be very, very you have to be very, very up and doing with this. The more you work on it, the more it gets better for you. And also, let me publish this first. Also, there is something I thought you could as well do on our contact page. Now it has been published, so let's just go to the contact page. Yeah. Aside for customers reaching out to you, you yourself can put your map now. So it just find your location straight away. My official location is my office in campground. Sorry. Yeah. Anthony. Campground Group, Anthony Lagos. And we're going to look for it. We're going to search it out for you. And this is it here. This is it here. So just drop a place mark. That's it. And stay. So anybody looking out for you, maybe the person want to contact you, the person can just know where you are, and using your website, the person can easily navigate to where you are. So it's a cool thing you can do here. It's a cool thing you can do here. So let me publish that. This is just by the way. This is just some review. Understand? This is just some review. Let's publish this. Boom. Let's go and check. These are on page. What? I didn't really do much here. Yeah. So these are contact page now. These are contact page. Yeah, that's fine. And our gallery here. YouTube. If I play, it plays. If I play, it plays. This will be the same of our class. So rather than asking my students now to come to whatever, I can have comment section here that they can get to comment and all. So please be flexible with the working.
Okay, welcome to my class.
So let's go to this class. We want to create, like I said, we want to create a very responsive WordPress website, probably an e-commerce website. I promise you, want to have it in email field and all. So how do we do that? That's what we are going to be looking at here. Now to start is to first of all install WordPress on our computer. Okay. To do that, we go to this website. Sorry. Go to this website called this pantheon.io. Enter. I believe you can see it here. Pantheon.io. Just this particular website now, though it has price now to have, it's a adapted now. It's a cloud architecture that you can use to create website, design, innovate, and deploy website fast. So to start, just click on get started. Just click on get started. Then there are so many resources and on like that. Filling this, you want to, or you can just click on sign in with Google. Sign in with Google. And it takes you to this place. You click on it. Then after that, you want to create the name for our website. Let's say it's gonna have a different whatever here. It's gonna have a different ending here, because they also will not allow you to have this domain name. So don't bother about it. We are sticking with it in all the websites you work with. But you an agency, you decide what you have for them, and you agree and go to continue. From then you get your dashboard, which is this. This dashboard now avails you to your opportunity to create websites. You can have many websites here. To start, just click on create new website. So it takes you to this new dashboard where you get to create your website. Now the dashboard is loading. Don't bother about this, just select United States and let's pick our website. Now, speaking of the domain name that I'm talking about, the one we created before 2 times, they have this ending that is there. So this one is going to have this. Like I said, all these websites we are creating, they have a default domain name. But if you want to customize it to maybe Shencko.com, that will be your home. There is a strategy for that. But we're not capturing it in this particular summer camp. Or you can Google search online. And if you want to know it personally, you can reach out to me. Thank you. Alright, let's continue. So just click on continue. Then your website will be getting prepared. The dashboard will be loaded, and you will be asked to choose which of these you want. Of course, since you want to work with WordPress now, you choose WordPress, and it's going to load it for you. That's it. This might take a little bit of time. Okay, so we are done, and once we're done, just click on this to see your dashboard, and we are good to go. Our website is ready, and boom, we have our first website. Website is ready. Our website is ready. Another website now. 3 websites. Now we have 3 websites. Let's check out this now. These are the 2 ways you can check this one. If you click on this one, that's the website. Now, if you click on this one, where you do whatever thing. If you click on this, it's going to ask you to register for the first time. Then subsequently, you click on site admin. When you click on site admin, then it takes you to this place where you choose English as your language. Now we are accepting WordPress now. You choose English as your language. When you are done choosing English, the details of the website. by details, I mean where you put in your password and all, so that you can access the website from there. It's loading. Let's just wait a bit. Now, the site of the title, the site title, Shencko Hubs, username, please, your username and password is very important, so don't forget to put the one that you can easily remember. Then your email address, and of course restore WordPress. Now it's going to give you want to remember that, yes, just to save your history. Now let's log in. Yes, this is our first website, guys. Our first website. This is the site. Let's check out. Oh, boring. What the hell is this? This is boring. But don't you worry. Not to worry. Let's perform the magic now. Let's perform the magic. First, well, we have our first web page, but we don't want it to look this boring. We want it to look very engaging, and then we allow different things that we can just edit. To do that, you go to plugins, guys. Plugins. When you click on plugin, you see add new. You see add new. You go and search for this plugin called Astra. You see, this is it here. And it comes with the web editor called Elementor. You just click on install. Once you install, activate. Once you install, activate it, then you now look for it here. You see here, starter template. Then click on C library. And of course, our website is almost on the way. Go to your website now, because we are looking out for Elementor. It is one of the best web editors that we have. Click on Elementor. Then it's going to load so many of them for you. So many of them. Now, because this time around, of course, you can choose whatever thing you want. You see. But this time around, we are looking for e-commerce. So just come to e-commerce. Online shop, clothing shop, this door shop, that shop, blah, blah, blah. Let's go to online stores. So our online store is loading. These are the templates that we have for online store that are trying to come up here now. When the templates come up, just pick anyone that you feel you like to. Okay, this is it. Puts you, and you just select that template. I think this should be good store. This should be a very wonderful store. So you see now it has price and all, and you can add more to it, of course. So let's select it. And so this will load, and you see what will come out with at the end of the course. Okay, our website is ready. Go to my website. See what our body website now looks like. Boom, boom, boom. You can shop. Guys, you can shop. Now, that our body website is this now. This is it. So now what we're left with now is making changes on this website. Of course, none of this belongs to us. We want to put our phone and on and all these links. You want to make sure it's your link and all. So that part is now customizing your website. Customizing your website. Okay, to customize our website, we have two tools. If you want to customize this upper part, you come to edit page. If you want to customize the body, you come to Elementor. I believe that is clear. If you want to customize this upper part, you come to edit page. You select that particular page you want to customize, or maybe the shop you want to go to, maybe it's about us, or whatever you want to do. This is about us. This is stuff. This is our website, fully functional. And of course, you can select anything from the chat. It's going to add to cart. So you go to our cart now. It is something there. Here, just see it. The same way you order on Jumia, you can see it here. Proceed to checkout. Only that these are checkout button now. Has no link. Now, there's a way you can also link something to the backend. You pay and everything. You see all of this. You can make it work. Now let's take it one step at a time. The home page, you want to make some changes there. We don't want this. You go to edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. I'm just going to be showing you how you can make the changes, you understand, and you guys do the job yourself. Images, you see, just like the Google site, the advantage here is that this is responsive in a better way compared to the Google site. You can use this to create an interactive forum, you understand. So if you want to change this to new products, just the same way we're working around that, new products, you are free to do that. So you should know that on your back end now, as the developer, you have to be working on this particular page often and often. As you have new products, new changes, newly launched. This is one of the products they are advertising. Now, if you go to Jumia.com now, one of those things they are advertising currently is the back to school. You know, everybody's going back to school. Students are going back to school. They are advertising back to school more. So you guys, you can create something like that. How do you understand? Okay. This is where web page look like normally. So the dashboard will change whatever thing you need to change is here. Let me see. Newly launched, and change it here, or you click on it here. Either way. Fresh from abroad. Maybe you want to create an e-commerce website whereby you keep things from abroad. Then you can just put this there. Specification, you change whatever thing you need to change there. Boom. This buy now we add it to chat directly. So the same way you can change anything here. But what if sorry, I'm having a bit of kata. But what if you want to add something in between these two? You click on this, you see, when you click on this, it asks you what you want to add to it. And you can add anything, add a new section, just the same way we add in Google Form. What type of section do you want to add? How do you want it to look like? So when you look like that, here it is. Then you want to add an image here. Yes, how big you want the images, blah blah blah. Do you want the text to appear on it? You want the text to appear on it. This one, your heading there, you type in your heading. maybe your store has category. You understand? Maybe your store has category, and just do shoes, and here let's do image here, and that text at the top. These are the things you can do here actually. So let's just do clothes, and the last one here. Let me adjust. The last one here, you can do inner section even for this one. And we have two sections here now. So inner section here now is gonna have its own image. This one too will have its own image. Guys, options are numerous here, and as you are doing it, you can see the changes that is happening here. Another inner section. Okay. Text or that. You are free to edit your web page as you like. It's maybe that's what we want to add there, and of course you have to make the font style very OP so that it will just look raw or something. Here copy, because I want to drop on that one here. Sorry. I actually want to drop it here. Delete. Email. Just walk around it. It's your website. And look here, guys. You can see div, spam. Those are the things that we talked about before. You keep on and on like that. So your image, you can just choose the image you want. Having design all designables. Look for the right image. Place it there. The right image, I mean, don't follow my style. I'm just doing this so that you guys can have enough time. Change image. Yes. Or you can just search for free images online as well. What are we searching for? Okay, let me see. What do we have there? You have clothes there, so let's search for clothes. Let's search for clothes. See? Or you can use where. See? I love this. Wow. So that's just it. You do this one as well. You do this as well. Please just search. Kids clothes. Sorry. Children clothes. Talk about search parameters. If you want to not work, please look for look for another that will work. Okay. can't like this. Instead, and you've got to have the button to it. Maybe you have this particular product now, or you have this particular product, you have to have the button to on and add the button to it. That will, the button will look like this buy now and take you to the cart immediately. So that is that on how to edit any page on WordPress. But we are not done yet. What if you want to add a new page? When you are done with it, you just update. You update. Once you are done updating, you can then go back to your website. This is it. View the current site. See, these are the changes we made to it. Just that I could not finish it because I'm trying to cut in between the time. Okay, now let's say you are done with that and you just so these are web page, and let's say we now want to add a new page to it. You can't do that from here. You can only edit from here. But if you want to have a fresh page to it, you can just come to the page, all pages that you have already. I'm going to list them for you. You can see them. Then you go to add new. Go to add new. Then this comes out. So let's do email. Yes. So all the pages that we have on that our home page now, we can create separate pages for them. Put different products there. That you now embed the links on the front page. Anybody can click on it, just like the way email. That this is a whole lot of work. You cannot just do this and you are done. No, you are not done. So you have a lot of work to do here. Okay, email, yes, and publish. You want to add an image to it, you can do that. Just select an image, pixel photos. I think I told you about this before. Email flow. Sorry. And you're gonna bring out features of ladies wears. So that is it. Then you publish. Let's view the page now. You see? So this is our home page, and we now want to make some adjustments here. Let's say for some reasons we have products on our home page. You need to add some other product to it. How do you do that? You go to your dashboard. Now, speaking of products, let's do this once and for all. Click on products and you see all products, new products, categories, and tags. Thank God these ones are categorized already. You can have it here. So if you don't like all these products you are saying, you can just take a one-time action. Click on all of these. Then here, delete everything. That is moved to trash. Understand? Okay. Initially this wasn't Naira. I changed it. So how did I do that? You come to here, WooCommerce. You go to settings from WooCommerce. Please follow me. You of course you have to enter all these details. So it's going to register you. Then you come to your currency. You can select any currency of your choice. You want to have it in Naira. But since we are Nigeria, let's have it in Nigeria. So I'm not this separate. But then it will have already linked your website. Now, one of you did today, the first time you are clicking on WooCommerce, you have to make some registration So that is by the way. So let's go back to product. Now let's say I want to add a new product now. I'll just click on add new, and it's going to bring out a dialog box for me to add new product. Now this is the product name. Baby cream, and of course you add whatever thing you want to add about the product. The price of the product is 1,500, and the sales price, maybe you want to have this kind of bonanza, and the current sales price maybe 1,200. So that means you are giving out a discount. So it's a simple product, it's a variable product. You select that. You write something about the product here. Here is something to make your baby look good. That's it. Then you want to add a picture. To it. Just search for the right picture. I think we have gone through all of these things. Product image. Okay. Just look for the right product you want to add to it, and place the picture there. I'm just adding a random picture, you understand? So put a caption there, put a description there, and save the product image. Then the product is there. And lastly, you don't forget to click on. If you want to add a new category, maybe now I want to add a new category, kids. That's a new category. Add new category. And I want that to be on that category. And add the product tag. You want to have every of the sorting tools that product will need when it's online. You put it and you click on save. You click on save or publish. So when that is done, yes, it's done now. You can go back to your website and find out from your store. You have baby. If you search with that baby, here it is. You can see that's the logic behind all those things that we just added a picture that doesn't look because of time. Now you can see the logic behind all this Jumia Bonanza package. Now that's the idea. Now when you add new products, you can add new categories, you can add new tags, and all the tags can be rating as the case may be. So that is how that goes. Now let's say, for example, now you want more product to appear on your web page, on the home page rather. This place. You want more product to appear here. How do we do that? Go back to product. It's as simple as just put a star on all of these. Anything you place a star on, you find it on the home page. So let's just limit it to this part. We are done with that. So apply. And let's go back to check our home page below. Okay, this template kind of has a default setting. But assuming you want to add a new product, that's the way you add the new product to the home page section or to the home page section. Okay, then after that, I think the next thing we'll be working with now is is next thing we'll be working with the next thing we'll be working with is the page. Okay, so this is our web page and we have our product in nylon. Or say now you want to make some changes here in this S section, you come to customize. When you get to customize, it depends on the part you want to make the changes to. If it's the header, come to the header and builder to make whatever change you want to make. This is site logo. You can change this picture, that logo you have there. You can change it to your own logo, as the case may be. Let's just change to our own logo. Let's have it with our own logo. So yeah, that's done. And skip copy paste. Okay, we're done with that. If you want to change the name, you can change the name of the site now to your own name. You want to have the site icon there, you can have the site icon there. You know what the site icon is now. Your favicon. Alright. So you just select that. Keep cropping and you have your site icon. Okay. So now we are done with this part. And let's say it's the menu part that you want to work with. Look for menu, site identity. Yeah. Remember we created a page the other time. From the main menu, look at the menus that you can adjust them. Let's say you want the about us to come in here, you just drag it inside. Then it comes here, it falls directly under the about us. If you want it that way, it falls directly under the about us. And if you don't want it that way, you can bring it out back. You can see it's coming back out. Now remember we created a page the other time called female wear. So you can just add female wear. See now. Now let's say you want female wear to be under shop, and that is what is obtainable. All your categories of shopping, just put it under. Maybe you created another one now, you want it to stay under the female wear, maybe female shoes alone. You can put that under female shoes, and so on and so forth. So guys, that is how you create a WordPress e-commerce website. This is huge, trust me, and it's not something we can just exhaust with a bit. So I'll be tasking you to come up with a series of things. You can also check online how to tag, how to format, series of things that you can do with this, and you will enjoy doing it. Trust me, you can create a website that will be just like what is it called? Just like Jumia, just like Konga, just like Amazon. You can create that now. So that is it. So when you are done with it, don't forget to publish. And okay, the last two things that we did not include now. Sorry, let me save this. That was your class for Friday. Okay. Now we are saved what? We have saved it and it's here, it's active now. So you can just close this. You can just close this. You can just close this, and there you have. The website is reloading. The website is reloading. When it's loading, when it's done loading, you see we can have the female wears page already. Look at it. Only that we need to put some editing there, add products, and add everything that we want to add to this page as well. So that is the way it goes. That is the way it goes. You can see it here now. It's a very nice and responsive website. Now, the two things I did not add here is how to take out this and how to link your website to a real store. Like, what I mean by real store is the payment system. For some reasons, I decided to take those ones out. If you want to learn it, you can reach out to me personally, and I will help you through. Now, thank you. And okay, sorry, your task. Of course, this I can't even say this should be your task, but you have to create a very nice, good-looking e-commerce website. That is it. You decide what you want to be selling. If it is fruit, if it is food, if it is whatever, just create an e-commerce website. So, guys, that will be it today, and I hope to see you all. Thank you.